Hello, dear listeners or viewers. This is the English version of the tutorial for Vplug, the drinking game.
Don't mind our weird English noises, it's just for funny. We are a bit shy, so we don't talk the real English like we do.
Even though we could do it if we wanted to.
We could do it. We get 13, we get 12, we get A+.
Yeah.
So,
A+.
all you haters out there, fuck you.
Don't matter about the weird. What's the word for?
For what?
We get the weird grades here in Denmark. Yeah, we get the weird grades. But never mind. Let's move on. This is my name. My name is Jacob Seeplug, and this is
Lasse V. Jensen.
Jacob Seeplug. Jacob Seeplug Stenum to be Danish, but I do not want to be Danish. Alright.
It's not Jacob Stenum Seeplug?
Yes, it is.
Yes.
Never mind. Let's move on with the rules. You see, we got this cup, I don't know what you call it in the English, for the dices, and we got 2 dice. Yeah, never mind. I said it wrong in English, I know. And then Lasse shuffles it. One of the people shuffles it. You can be more than 2 people in this game. 2 persons in this game. Alright. We look at what Lasse gets. It's an equal number. 1 plus 1 equals 2. And 2 is
For yourself.
an equal number. I don't know what you call it. Every equal number is for yourself. You know, like, if you get 2, you drink 2. So Lasse will drink 2. And 2 means, an equal number means that you will roll the dice again. You will shuffle the dice again. Yes, and what will he get? This time he got an unequal number, if that is what it's called in English, I don't know. But it's 9, and that means when it's an unequal number, he will send the dice on. And that means to me, and that's 9 for me. I'll do the 9. I don't care. I'm cool. I'm too smart.
He's tough. He drinks the 9. It's like, if you do equal, you'll drink until you hit an unequal number. And people are thinking,
no more beer.
Isn't there a limit at the 3 throws? And no, there isn't. It's
No limit.
Unlimited.
So we tough.
You just throw the dice and
look at this.
get extremely drunk. I'll promise you after...
It's an unequal number. That means 7 goes to Lasse V.
Half an hour, you are extremely drunk after this game, and you can don't play this more than half an hour at a time. It will go.
We will take no responsibility for the actions you do when you play this in more than half an hour. This must be. I hope you got the rules. If not, you can comment it in the comments below this one.
On the we'll write what is it? A link on the subscription over here, and yeah, enjoy.
Yeah, and please, as Hot for Words always says,
subscribe
and rate
5 stars. Hallelujah! We don't have the big tits, but we have the
good looks and the short hair
and the bright beers.
Yeah, here in Denmark, you know Carlsberg. Of course you do.
Of course you know the Carlsberg.
Thumbs up. We love you, America and otherwhere in the world.
Poland.
America and Poland. We love you.
It's A6E Phil.
Yeah.
And we like to talk like this because it's so exciting.
Yeah. Goodbye.
Goodbye.